How to recharge Netflix on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can recharge Netflix on your TV. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to recharge Netflix on TV, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is remember that we won't be able to do this from the Netflix app. Even if we were on mobile phone, we wouldn't be able to do this from the Netflix app. So we have to open a browser. In this case, I'm using this internet browser on my Google TV. So I'm going to open this internet browser, and what you want to do is you have to go to a specific URL, which I'll also make sure to drop a link below, and that is netflix.com/account. So again, I repeat, netflix.com/your-account, right? So you want to simply go to that option over here. So let me also go ahead and then simply search for that option particular in this case. Once I go to the account settings, again I repeat, I'll make sure to drop a link below. Go to www.netflix.com/your-account and make sure that you're signed in. Now, if you want to recharge it, one thing you have to understand is that if your card details are working just fine, it is going to automatically deduct the balance from your card next month whenever it finishes the subscription for this month. So this is not a manual process, this is going to happen automatically. But still, if you want to review the details, you can just go to this option and go to this option known as Manage Payment Info. When you go to this Manage Payment Info option over here, you should be able to add a payment option if you haven't already. Once you add a payment option, make sure that they're added correctly and make sure that they have enough balance, and automatically it is going to renew the membership as a result. This way you'll be able to just go ahead and then basically recharge your Netflix on TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.